Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. How to insert or type any symbol or icon using text suggestions in your MS Word file. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to insert any symbol or icon using text suggestions in your MS Word file, then I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to click on settings, click on start menu, then click on settings. In left section you can see a time and language. You just need to click on this. In right side you will find typing. Click on typing. You have to enable this option, show text suggestions when typing on physical keyboard. Just enable this option. After that you will find the second option, multilingual text suggestions. You have to enable this option also. After enabling these both, just close this window, open your Word file. After opening the Word file, you have to change the font, Sego UI symbol, then type anything here. For example, I will type as rocket. You can see here the symbol of rocket. Just click on this. If you want any other symbol, select this Sego UI symbol, then type train. Then select the train, then hit enter. If you want any fruit icon, for example, I will type as apple. Just select the apple icon. If you want to increase this size, just select all the icons. You can increase it from here. If you want to change the colors, select all the icons or symbol, click on this option, then select whatever color you want. That's it guys. So in this way you can insert or type any symbol or icon using text suggestions in your MS Word file. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.